Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT-R. First, lightly sketch the basic outline of the car, focusing on its low, wide stance. Next, define the main body lines and the placement of the wheels. Pay close attention to the car's overall length versus its height to ensure correct proportions. This foundational step is crucial for a realistic final drawing, so take your time here. Now, let's move to the front and sides. Begin by detailing the prominent Panamericana grille, making sure each vertical slat is visible. Then, add the sleek headlights and the large air intakes on the bumper. Don't forget the functional side vents and the sharp character lines that flow along the doors and fenders, giving the AMG GT-R its powerful look. Next, we'll focus on the rear and the wheels. Carefully draw the rear diffuser and the central dual exhaust pipes, which are a signature feature. Add the slim, horizontal taillights and the prominent fixed rear spoiler. For the wheels, ensure they are the correct size relative to the body and accurately depict the intricate spoke pattern, giving them a dynamic appearance. Finally, it's time for shading and refinement. Use varying pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving your drawing a three-dimensional quality. Pay attention to the reflections on the car's surface, especially on the windows and body panels, to enhance realism. Go over all your lines, making them crisp and clean. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Your AMG GT-R drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.